tears, so it's good to get an electronic. That's the final. I think it looks so nice. I just feel nice. It has transformed my place. It looks so nice, guys. I'll take off my water. It's hot. Hello my good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's their first time meeting this channel, please consider subscribing, liking and giving my video a thumbs up. For the returning subscribers, I love you, I love you, I love you so much. Welcome and welcome back. Today we are unboxing right from my dining area. I have some items I would like to share with you. I got them from my nearest market and I felt like it was nice to share with you. And if you could be interested to get one, I will tag the number or the area I got every item from. So we are going to start right from the top one. I got this one for my sink. Yeah, and I felt it was nice to share with you. For the prices, I don't know whether you will get. Yeah, it's showing. I got it from Nawal Center in Mombasa. I will link their number in my description box. And then I got this brush. At the price of 450. I don't know whether you see it. Yes, at the price I got it. I will connect it later. And my Fat Skin. This is Fat Skin a shower gel. That's all about that. I've been looking for this microwave for a long time, but finally today I have it. And maker microwave, but iliharibika tu. Upon taking to fundi has been repairing it and it never came through. It never came through. We have to win it. I would love to test it with you, so stay tuned. Okay, I was looking for my warrant. It's here. It's a 1-year warrant. Guys, when you're buying any electronic, make sure that they give you their warrant, because guys, when you're buying any electronics, make sure that warrant is stamped. Like this man, it's already stamped, because if you take it back without this stamp, they may say that it's not theirs. So it's good to get an electronic with warrant and stamped with their company's stamp. Okay, let's test this gadget with you. I will test it with my cup of water. We are still testing it. Okay guys, as you can see, it's working. I'll take off my water. It's hot. And yes guys, I was testing whether it's working or not, so it's good to test, and I found that it's working. Thank you. Guys, thank you for watching till the end. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share to your friends, family and your